Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 3, chapter 10, permutation and combination. So the question number 3, part 1, it is pretty straightforward. Okay, so it is given 3a. Yeah, okay. A lock can be opened using only the number this 4351. State whether this is a permutation or a combination of digits. Okay, in combination, the order is not important. It could be in any order, right? For example, if I'm picking up 4 balls out of 10 balls from a bag, so the order of those balls is not important, right? So that issue is dealt by combination problem. But if the order is important, that in which order I place them, then it is a issue of permutation. Since in the log number the order is important, so this is a permutation problem. Okay, so this was easy. Now let's go to B. B has 3 parts. Okay, so there are 20 numbered balls in a bag. Okay, so 2 balls have 0 written on them. 6 balls have 1 written on them. 5 balls have 2 written on them, and 7 balls have 3 written on them. So 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So we have 20 balls with these numbers written on them. Okay, now 4 of these balls are chosen at random. Okay, so from a bag, I have 20 balls in it. One, two, three, four, right? So the 20 ball, and I'm choosing 4 balls at random each time. Okay, so uh, calculate the number of ways. Okay, so number one is that 4 balls all have same number. Okay, so all balls cannot have 0 on them because there are only 2 balls, 2 such balls, right? But one is written on 6 balls. So I can, it's possible that I take 4 balls and all of them has one written on them. Similarly, 5, 2, and 3, this is possible, but 0 is not possible, right? Okay, now how many ways I can get uh, one written on them? So it means that how many ways 4 balls can be chosen out of 6. So uh, 6 combination 4. This is the number of ways I can have one on written on them. Similarly, if 2 is written on them, then I have, it means that, where is my pen? Oh my God. Yes, my, it's giving some kind of trouble. Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, plus. So 5 combination 4. Again, I'm choosing 4 balls out of 5 which have written 2 on them. And similarly, out of 7 balls, how many ways I can choose 4 balls? I mean, 7 balls with 3 written on them. So this is 6 combination 4 is 15. 5 combination 4 is 5. And 7 combination 4 is 35. So this is all 55. Okay. So let me erase this thing. Okay. And part 2 is the 4 balls all have different numbers. Okay, so different numbers mean I take 4 balls and one of them has a 0 on it, one of them has 1, one is 2, one is 3. Okay, so how many ways I can have 0 written on them? 2, right? So 2. Now, how many ways I can have 1 written on them? It is 6. How many ways I can have 5 written on them? It is again 5. And how many times it is 3 written on them? It's 7. Okay, so 2 times 6 times 5 times 7. So this comes out to be 420. Okay, the answer to the second part is this one. And the third part, it is The four balls have number such that totals three. Okay, so how many ways I can have four balls and such that the number written on them has a total of three? Okay, you see, if I get one ball with zero, second ball with zero, third ball with one, and fourth ball is with two, then the number is three. The total number of zero plus one plus two is three, right? What other possibility I have? I'm going to choose four different balls, right? The number written on them could be zero, one, two, or three, but the sum should be three, right? So the other possibility is that I get zero and then one and one and one, and that's it. There's no other way I get the ball so that the summation is three. Okay. Now, how what are the how many how many what are the possibilities here? Okay. Uh, I had to just two zeros, right? And then I have only two balls. So there's only one way I can get zero and zero, right? Now, how can I get one? Remember, one was written on six balls. So there are six combination one ways in which I can get one, right? In the same way, two is written on five balls, right? So how many ways I can get uh, one ball out of these five balls, right? So if I get one ball with two written on them, so there are five combination one different ways. Similarly, six combination one different ways I can get this one. And there are only two balls, so this one is basically, if you allow me, instead of this one I can say two combination two, because there are two balls with zero on them and I have to choose both of them, so it is just one possibility. Okay, now for the second one. Okay, how many ways I can get zero? There are two balls, so it is two combination one. This so many times I can get zero because this is just two, right? So if I have two balls have zero on them, so I can choose the first one or the second one. So there are two different ways, right? Then how many ways I can get one, one, one? So six balls has one written on them. So I need to get three of these six balls. So how many ways I can get three out of six balls? It is six combination three, right? So this would be equal to, this is one times six combination one is six, and five combination one is five, and two combination one is two, and six combination three is 20. So this is 30 plus 40. So the answer is 70. Okay. I hope this is clear. This was not too complicated or not too challenging question. I hope you understand everything. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Tariq, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.